Okay, let me explain to you what I'm doing with this Baby Pacman. So, I got this machine. It has no original boards at all. And what I'm doing is I'm putting LEDs in the playfield. And I did some tests with several different types of LEDs. The two LEDs from CoinTaker were the best ones. So I ordered those. So now over here, I built a power supply that supplies the 43 volts to the playfield. That is done and in place. And here, let's see, where is it? There's a 6 volt 5 amp power supply down there to power the LEDs. I'm not using LEDs for the general illumination. Those are going to require about 2.5 amps worth of power, so so that's what that power supply is for. The LEDs will hardly take up any power. So let me show you how I plan on controlling this playfield. Okay, well, this is what I'm planning on using to control this Baby Pacman machine. What we have here are LEDs. All these pins are LEDs. You can have up to 96 LEDs controlled. 6 of these are 1 amp drivers, so those could be used for 6 solenoids. So I say this is almost perfect because I really need 9 1 amp drivers. So for the other 3 drivers, I'm going to create a little board that will use some of the LED drivers to power transistors and kick off those solenoids that way. And then here's the inputs. So for all the switches on the playfield, they'll go to these inputs. So in addition to that, I had to modify pin MAME. So here's pin MAME running on this monitor, and you can see all the lamps flashing as they're supposed to on the playfield. And then here you can see the LEDs being turned on and off on this board. So if I hooked up all the LEDs to the right pin here, they would flash exactly like they're supposed to for the attract mode of Baby Pacman. Also this is going to trigger the solenoids this in the exact same way. So that's basically it. That's the progress so far, and I'll give you another video the next major milestone. What I'm trying to do right now is map all these LEDs to the pins that I want here, and map the solenoids to these pins. I'm just trying to get them all organized, and to do that I'm modifying the pin name source code. Okay, see you next time.